Uparkot, a fortification around the foothills of the Girnar Hills. The Uparkot Fort was built during the Mauryan Empire in 319 BC. However, it further lost necessity after the capital was moved to a place called Vallabhi in the Saurashtra region of Gujarat. The Uparkot Fort houses Buddha caves which were scooped out of the rock to make hollow monasteries during the 2nd century. The fort also encloses a couple of temples and even two stepwells called Adi Kadi Vow and the Naughan Kuo. The Adi Kadi Vow, said to have been built in ancient times by the maids of the Chudasama rulers, is descended by a long flight of steps, and the Naughan Kuo cut to a great depth in the soft rock and with a circular staircase. This vast fort also houses a moat. This is at least 300 feet deep. It is said that this space was filled with crocodiles that would rip any enemy who tried to enter the fort. In July 2020, the Government of Gujarat initiated the restoration of the fort and the structures inside it. More than 4 lakh tourists visited the historic Uparkot Fort in Junagadh within 100 days after it was thrown open to tourists on September 28 last year after restoration.